Hey guys, so here is the next question for your performance final review. This is going to be the sum and difference equation. So here we go. I'm going to use a separate sheet of paper. So what we're going to do here is make two triangles. So we're in quadrant 3. So like we've done before, AOH, sine is O over H, so 20 over 29. Remember, your hypotenuse cannot be negative, so we do our negative sign. Okay. If we'll do the Pythagorean theorem. Okay, so this would be, and be careful, this is going to be our c squared. So negative 20 squared plus b squared equals 29 squared. So this is going to be 400 plus b squared equals 29 squared, which is 841. Subtract 400 over b squared equals 441, square root, and b equals 21. Now, because we're in quadrant 3, that 21 is negative. So I have my sine value. I'm going to go ahead and find cosine of A, and that'll be negative 21 over 29. Okay, we're going to repeat the whole process over here. AOH. Cosine is A and H. Nice thing about quadrant 1, everybody is positive. So again, we do the Pythagorean theorem. I'm making sure that 17 goes where the C is. So 64 plus b squared equals 289. Subtract 64. We get 225. Take the square root, and b equals 15. We do have cosine, so I do need sine of b. And that's going to be 15 over 7. Now the question says, what is sine of A minus B? Remember that formula is going to be sine, cosine, cosine, sine. Okay, so here is your formula. Let's see if I can get it all in. So sine A is negative 20 over 29 times cosine B, which is going to be 8 over 17. Cosine A, negative 21 over 29. And sine B is 15 over 17. Okay, so we're going to multiply. So I get a negative 160 over 493 minus a negative 315 over 493. Remember, these denominators need to match. If they don't, you've made a boo-boo. We have two negatives. They will become a positive. So I get 155 over 493. And that's how you do that one. Okay. Let's look at the next one. We're going to do the same thing. Okay, quadrant 2. AOH. So O over H, so 4 and 5. So hopefully you know. Oh, I made a boo-boo. Oh, no. The 5 goes here. So this is going to be a 3, 4, 5 triangle. Okay, so cosine. Let's do it over here. So cosine of A. Oh, and it is in quadrant 2, negative. So negative 3 over 5. Okay, now over here, we're back in quadrant 3. A, O, H. So A and H, so 25, negative 24. If we were to do the Pythagorean theorem, we will get 7, and because it's in quadrant 3, it is a negative. So sine of B would be negative 7 over 25. Now the question here is going to be cosine of A plus B. And that formula is cosine, cosine, sine, sine. Okay, cosine A is right here, negative 3 over 5. Cosine B is negative 24 over 25. Minus sine A, 4 over 5. And sine B is negative 7 over 25. Okay, so we get 72 over 125 minus a negative 28 over 125. So again, here we have two negatives, so plus plus. And I get 100 over 125. We can reduce this by 25. So that's 4 over 5. That is your final answer. I'll see you in the next video for graphing and sine and cosine. Bye, guys.